Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Roblox player from your laptop and also Roblox Studio. So first you are going to click here on the search and then you are going to search for control panel. You just click here, you choose programs option, then you choose programs and features, and here in the search you are going to search for Roblox. You will find here, you just right click on it, then you choose uninstall. After you finish this step, what you are going to do is you go back to the search and search for Roblox. You will find here Roblox. You are going to click on open file location and then you are going to right click on it and then you choose also open file location. Then here, as you can see, you will find Roblox. You just go to local and you will find Roblox. You just right click and delete, and that's it. Now you successfully uninstalled Roblox from your laptop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.